Well, this is a great class we have coming in. You know, we've got some great perimeter players here, and unfortunately they graduate after 4 years, so we've got to replace Natalie Novosel and Brittany Mallory in this class, and the kids we have coming in, I couldn't be more excited about them. They fill the needs that we had. They're tremendous basketball players, and they're just great people. Players that have taken their team further than they've ever been before. They've been in state tournaments, they've been in district and sectional and regional tournaments, so they have the ability to win. This past summer they've won championships, so we want players that know how to win. Jewell Loyd, as the highest ranked guard in her position in this class, she is just a phenomenal talent. The thing I like about Jewell, she continues to get better. I saw her in April. She was so much better in July. I'm sure she's going to be better than that this season, and just great things in store for her. She is a very hard to guard player. She can score in so many ways. Her three-point shot looks great. She can put it on the floor. She can get to the rim. You're going to see some alley-oop shots from her because we're going to be able to throw it up. She can really get off the floor. She's a great defender. She is somebody that really is going to help us in the press, defensively, and certainly on offense. Kayla is a typical New Jersey player. She is feisty. She is somebody that I'm going to love. She is going to be a little bit like Becca Bruszewski in that she's going to go toe-to-toe with you and she's going to get her way. She is a relentless and fearless competitor. She's a great three-point shooter. I think you'll think Beth Morgan, Alicia Ratai when you see her shoot the ball. She's a big guard, about 5'11". She is somebody that can really play inside and out, but a great, great three-point shooter. Hannah Huffman, because she does so many of the things. To me, she's a kind of a toss-up between Natalie Novosel and Brittany Mallory. She has the great parts of both of their games. She's going to be a glue player, I think, because she's just so smart. She's a heady guard who can handle the ball. She can direct things. She's going to be a calming influence, I think, on our team as we go down the road and look at her experience as a college player. She can score in so many different ways. She can go in and post up. She can score from the perimeter. She can shoot the three. She can handle the ball. She is somebody that's going to add a lot. Well, we had so much media attention this year on our run to the Final Four. It was great to see so many recruits nationally really were watching us and very interested in coming to play. Of course, when you have a player like Skylar, she attracts a lot of attention. There was a lot of players that wanted to play with her. They look at the game we play, the style we play. It's upbeat, it's fun, it's up-tempo. So I think that really helped us. I think it generated so much publicity for us that players in this class and the next as well got a good chance to see us on a national stage. They really did. We've got a triumvirate now. I think Niele Ivey has continued to do great things in the recruiting process. Jonathan Sippes, he's the organized guy that gets us on top of the schedules. He finds kids. He is really great at networking. And then Carol Owens, another great person who people just love to talk to. She is just somebody that they can really relate to. So I think we have something for everyone. Well, I think we're known for our great guard play, and this team is going to be no exception to that because all three of them are going to contribute immediately. With the losses that we're going to have this year with 4 seniors graduating, it's going to be difficult to replace that experience, but I think these three are capable of doing it.